Okay, here's the before picture, Maury. That's the before picture. I had to take out the shelf and a couple of runners underneath. I took that out and there we go. I got some side-to-side plastic pieces here to keep it from wobbling, and that keeps in contact the whole slide. There's 3 sliders on the bottom, 2 on the side and 1 right down the middle. The hardest, most tedious part was removing the door, and that's not hard, but installing the door on this front fascia such that it's centered up nicely. I reused this little gadget here and here. I reused that over here to keep it secure. I think it's going to work out fine. So tomorrow I'll do the bottom one.